Tired of your iPhone's ghost autocorrect changing words you've already corrected? This video will show you quick fixes. The ghost autocorrect is when your iPhone changes a word back to a previous incorrect suggestion, even after you've manually corrected it. It can be incredibly frustrating. This usually stems from the keyboard's learning function, or sometimes a glitch in the iOS software, especially after updates or when input settings conflict. Our first fix is turning off predictive text. Go to Settings, General, then Keyboard, and toggle off Predictive. This stops the constant suggestions. Next, let's reset the keyboard dictionary. In Settings, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This clears all learned words. You can also try temporarily disabling autocorrection in the keyboard settings. This allows you to type without any automatic changes, confirming if autocorrection is the root cause. Finally, ensure your iOS is updated. Apple frequently releases fixes for keyboard bugs. Go to Settings, General, and Software Update to install the latest version. By trying these quick fixes, turning off predictive text, resetting the dictionary, or updating iOS, you should be able to stop the annoying ghost autocorrect for good.